Alright, last box of our break. We're doing triple threads. 9. Just hit the Ran Howard. Finally. Finally got something unique out of unique. Good luck, guys. Alright, base cards. Adrian Gonzalez, Padres. Mike Schmidt, Phillies. Jackie Robinson, Dodgers. Chipper Jones, Braves. Chris Carpenter. Oh, sick. I have these guys. I'm pretty excited about this card. Triple jersey auto 7 of 9 of Johnny Padres for the Dodgers. That is nice. A lot of old wool jerseys.
Our jewelry is guaranteed to appraise for double plus no interest for 6 months. The Jewelry Exchange in Tustin.
Pretty nice. Alright. It's the first hit. Pack 2.
Your discretion is advised.
Alright, we got base cards of Grady Sizemore, Indians. Alfonso. Oh, it's a 1/1. A 1/1 base card of Alfonso Soriano for the Cubs. 1/1. Alright. Sure enough. Mickey Mantle. Johnny Mize. Roy Halladay. Son of a bitch. Wow. Triple jersey with a pinstripe, 9 of 36 of Lou Gehrig.
Oh my God, there are men breaking into our house. Dad, what is it? What's going on? I heard a noise. Is somebody downstairs?
Oh, God, Meg, you startled me. I'm sorry.
What the hell's your problem, you dumbass?
What the deuce is all the commotion? Quick, everyone get in the attic.
I go to Snod Juice. Snod Juice did pretty well. 1 spot, Yankees, Gehrig, triple game used, and the dual auto earlier in the unique. Thanks for watching.
Terrible. I wish I could have